The charming German city of Hildesheim boasts two remarkable churches, St. Mary's Cathedral and St. Michael's Church. These architectural masterpieces are not just places of worship, they are UNESCO World Heritage Sites, recognized for their outstanding universal value. Stepping into these churches is like stepping back in time, offering a glimpse into over 1,000 years of history, art, and faith. St. Mary's Cathedral, with its towering spires, dominates the city's skyline. Founded in the 9th century, it has witnessed centuries of change and upheaval. Just a short walk away, St. Michael's Church stands on a hill, its symmetrical design a testament to the architectural genius of the Ottonian era. Both churches embody the spirit of their time, reflecting the power of the church and the artistry of medieval craftsmen. They stand as enduring symbols of Hildesheim's rich history, inviting visitors to explore their hallowed halls and uncover the stories they hold. The history of St. Mary's Cathedral is interwoven with the history of Hildesheim itself. Founded in 815 AD by King Louis the Pious, son of Charlemagne, the cathedral has seen its share of destruction and rebirth. The original structure was destroyed by fire in the 11th century, and the current Romanesque building was constructed in its place. Over the centuries, the cathedral underwent numerous renovations and additions, resulting in a fascinating blend of architectural styles. The Gothic cloister, added in the 14th century, provides a tranquil escape, while the towering spires, a later addition, soar towards the heavens. Despite suffering damage during World War II, St. Mary's Cathedral was meticulously restored. Today, it stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of faith and the resilience of the human spirit. Its weathered stones whisper tales of bishops and kings, wars and peace, and the unwavering belief of the people who have called it their spiritual home for over a millennium. St. Mary's Cathedral is a treasure trove of architectural wonders. Its Romanesque core is evident in the sturdy pillars, rounded arches, and thick walls. The basilica plan, with its nave, aisles, and transept, creates a sense of grandeur and spaciousness. One of the cathedral's most notable features is the pair of bronze doors, known as the Bernward Doors, crafted in 1015. These magnificent doors, adorned with biblical scenes, are considered masterpieces of Ottonian art. Inside, the cathedral is equally impressive. The painted ceiling of the nave depicts scenes from the life of Christ, while the crypt houses the tomb of St. Bernward, Bishop of Hildesheim. From the towering spires to the intricate details of its sculptures, St. Mary's Cathedral is a testament to the skill and artistry of medieval craftsmen. Every corner reveals a new wonder, inviting visitors to marvel at the architectural genius on display. St. Mary's Cathedral is not just an architectural marvel, it's a repository of priceless art and artifacts. The Bernward Doors, with their intricate bronze reliefs, are just the beginning. Inside, the cathedral houses a wealth of treasures that reflect the deep faith and artistic sensibility of the people who created them. The Irminsul, a sacred pillar from pagan times, stands as a reminder of the region's pre-Christian past. The Hezelo chandelier, a magnificent bronze wheel adorned with candles and figures, is a masterpiece of Romanesque metalwork. The thousand-year rose, a rose bush said to be over 1,000 years old, grows in the courtyard, a symbol of hope and enduring life. These treasures, along with the cathedral's stained glass windows, sculptures, and liturgical objects, offer a glimpse into the rich artistic traditions that flourished in Hildesheim. They remind us that art and faith have always been intertwined, inspiring and uplifting the human spirit. Section 5. St. Michael's Church, a heavenly vision. Perched atop a hill overlooking Hildesheim, St. Michael's Church stands as a beacon of Romanesque architecture. Built in the early 11th century by Bishop Bernward, it was conceived as a heavenly Jerusalem, reflecting the architectural ideals of its time. The church's symmetrical design, with its two transepts, two choirs, and two towers, creates a sense of perfect harmony and balance. This architectural vocabulary, typical of Ottonian churches, reflects the belief in a divinely ordered universe. Unlike St. Mary's Cathedral, St. Michael's Church has remained largely unchanged since its construction. This architectural purity, combined with its exceptional state of preservation, makes it a prime example of early Romanesque architecture in Germany. Section 6. Romanesque Splendor. Unraveling St. Michael's Architecture. St. Michael's Church is a masterpiece of Romanesque architecture. Its massive walls, built of local sandstone, give it an air of strength and permanence. The rounded arches, barrel vaults, and groin vaults create a sense of soaring space, while the small windows admit a soft, ethereal light. One of the church's most remarkable features is its painted wooden ceiling, the largest of its kind north of the Alps. Created in the 13th century, it depicts Christ's lineage, reminding viewers of the church's role as a link between heaven and earth. The church's interior is equally impressive. The crypt, located beneath the choir, houses the tomb of Bishop Bernward, the church's founder. The simplicity and clarity of the Romanesque style create an atmosphere of serenity and contemplation, inviting visitors to reflect on the timeless power of faith. Section 7. Artistic Wonders within St. Michael's. While St. Michael's Church is renowned for its architecture, it also houses a collection of art and artifacts that reflect its rich history. The painted wooden ceiling, a masterpiece of medieval art, is a testament to the skill of the craftsman who created it. The church also features several notable sculptures, including a bronze column depicting the life of Christ, created in the early 11th century. This column, inspired by Trajan's column in Rome, is a rare example of large-scale bronze casting from the Ottonian period. The church's stained glass windows, while not original, bathe the interior in a kaleidoscope of colors, adding to the sense of awe and wonder. These artistic treasures, combined with the church's serene atmosphere, make St. Michael's Church a place of both spiritual and artistic inspiration. Section 8. Living History, Preservation and Purpose. St. Mary's Cathedral and St. Michael's Church are not museum pieces. They are living testaments to faith and history. Both churches are active places of worship, hosting regular services and religious ceremonies. Preservation efforts are ongoing to ensure that these architectural masterpieces are preserved for future generations. The churches have benefited from extensive restoration work, and their UNESCO World Heritage status helps raise awareness and funding for their continued care. By preserving these churches, we are not just saving bricks and mortar, we are safeguarding a vital part of our shared cultural heritage. These buildings serve as tangible links to the past, reminding us of the enduring power of faith, the artistry of our ancestors, and the importance of preserving our history. Section 9. Hildesheim's Enduring Legacy. The twin treasures of St. Mary's Cathedral and St. Michael's Church are not just landmarks of Hildesheim. They are symbols of the city's enduring legacy. They stand as testaments to the city's rich history, its artistic heritage, and its unwavering spirit. These churches have witnessed centuries of change, from the rise and fall of empires to the ravages of war and the triumphs of peace. They have served as places of solace and inspiration, offering hope and comfort to generations of worshipers. Today, they stand as a source of pride for the people of Hildesheim and a magnet for visitors from around the world. They remind us that the past is not something to be left behind, but rather something to be cherished, preserved, and learned from. Section 10. A call to explore and protect. The stories of St. Mary's Cathedral and St. Michael's Church are still being written. Every visitor who walks through their doors, every worshiper who bows their head in prayer, every historian who unravels their secrets adds a new layer to their rich tapestry. It is our responsibility to ensure that these architectural masterpieces continue to inspire and amaze future generations. By supporting preservation efforts, visiting these remarkable sites, and sharing their stories, we can help keep the spirit of Hildesheim's architectural treasures alive for centuries to come. So, take a journey back in time and explore the wonders of St. Mary's Cathedral and St. Michael's Church. Let their beauty captivate your senses, their history ignite your imagination, and their spirit renew your appreciation for the enduring power of human creativity and faith.